Enhance safety and cost savings with an innovative camera system on your bus. MirrorCam is an innovative solution for improving safety and reducing costs. It replaces traditional bus mirrors. The camera units are aerodynamic. Enhance the maneuverability of the bus, ultimately saving money. Not only works for bus and coaches applications. It also works for trucks and HGVs with the dual lens HD cameras. Compared to traditional mirrors, the MirrorCam electronic monitor dims automatically, which helps reduce glare. The camera units are compact and are positioned against the side of the bus body. With MirrorCam system you can significantly enhance the maneuverability of the bus while minimizing the risk of damage. MirrorCam system increases safety by covering a larger field of vision than mirror classes 2 and 4. The system always delivers a sharp and detailed image, even in challenging conditions such as low sun, rain, snow, and dust. The cameras seamlessly adjust between light and dark environments, including tunnels, using infrared illumination. With its exceptional night vision wide dynamic range imaging capabilities, MirrorCam offers the driver an improved view of surrounding nighttime traffic compared to traditional mirrors. Built with next-generation AI intelligent BSD pedestrians detection technology to perform object detection and tracking. Increase safety and save on fuel consumption for your bus or coach with the Kocchi's MirrorCam system. Visit our website for more information.